storytelling for Islamic character formation in preschool. I would like to begin with a question for reflection to all of us. In a digital age nowadays, how can storytelling be intentionally designed to cultivate Islamic values in the hearts of young children? Okay, this is my background of study. Character formation grounded in Islamic values remains a central objective of early childhood education within Islamic educational philosophy. Rapid digitalization nowadays has received preschool teaching and learning practices. However, the use of digital tools often prioritizes cognitive and technical skills over structured moral development. In response, digital storytelling has emerged as a meaningful pedagogical approach that integrates narrative, multimedia, and interaction to embed Islamic values within engaging learning experiences for young learners. And the problem statement here highlight about despite the growing integration of digital media in preschool classrooms, there remains a lack of pedagogical models that systematically integrate digital literacy with Islamic character formation, pembentukan karakter. Existing digital teaching practices often focus on engagement and content delivery without a clear moral framework rooted in Islamic ethics. Furthermore, empirical research examining how digital storytelling can be intentionally designed and implemented to cultivate Islamic values such as love, respect, self-control, honesty, and patience among preschools, and is still limited. This gap highlights the need for theoretically grounded and practice-oriented studies that explore the role of teachers in mediating digital tools for moral education. And for the objective and research question of the research is about to explore teacher strategies integrating Islamic values into digital storytelling practices based on principles of digital literacy. And the question here about how the teachers explore the strategies in integrating Islamic values into digital storytelling. And the objective number 2, to expand teachers' perceptions of the effectiveness of digital storytelling in shaping Islamic character among preschool children. And there's a research question here. How do teachers perceive the effectiveness of digital storytelling in fostering Islamic character formation among preschoolers? And the literature review here. This study is underpinned by an integrated theoretical framework combining digital literacy theory formed by Dudney et al. This theory emphasizes safe, meaningful, and ethical digital engagement through access, analysis, creation, and communication. And also, the integration from the Islamic perspective here, Al-Ghazali's moral formation theory. Al-Ghazali perspectives highlights tazkiyah an-nafs, purification of the soul, moral habituation, imitation, al-qudwah, and repeated practice as central mechanisms for character development. This theory offers a strong Islamic framework for understanding moral education through storytelling and experiential learning. The integration of these theories allows digital storytelling to function not merely as technological tool, but as a morally purposeful pedagogical medium. And for the method, this study highlights the qualitative research design. 5 preschool teachers were selected using purposive sampling. Data were collected through in-depth semi-structured interviews, focused classroom observations, and document analysis of digital storytelling methods used by teachers. And also this multi-method approach enabled an in-depth exploration of the pedagogical practices and teacher perceptions. And the findings here from research question number 1 is about how do preschool teachers integrate Islamic values into digital storytelling activities through digital literacy practices. And the result here, intentional integration of Islamic values. Firstly, secondly, Sharia compliant visuals and narratives. Thirdly, value-centered digital storytelling. Fourth is about ethical and guided digital access. And lastly, teachers themselves shows the moral intentionality and digital competence. And for the research question number 2, how do teachers perceive the effectiveness of digital storytelling in fostering Islamic character formation among preschools? Number 1 is about strong emotional engagement. Number 2, moral habituation through repetition, repeat, and increase moral awareness and imitation. And number 3, multimodal support for abstract moral understanding, and last one, more effective than conventional moral instruction. And also the findings here, as a summary, integrated core findings, alignment of digital literacy and Islamic moral pedagogy, teacher-mediated use technology, dasar pendidikan digital nowadays, and also support for cognitive and effective moral development, digital storytelling as a values-based pedagogical approach. And the findings support Al-Ghazali's assertion that moral character can be shaped through exemplary storytelling, emotional engagement, and repeated practice. Digital storytelling amplifies these processes by providing immersive and emotionally resonant learning experiences. Compared to previous studies that emphasize cognitive and engagement outcomes of digital tools, this study highlights the moral and character building potential of the digitally mediated narratives. So in terms of practical, the study underscores the importance of teacher competence in value-based digital pedagogy and the need for ethically grounded digital content in early childhood education. And the last one as the conclusion, digital storytelling effectively supports Islamic character formation among preschoolers when guided by teachers' ethical digital literacy and Islamic moral pedagogy. The intentional integration of values, emotional engagement, and repeated practice enables technology to function as a meaningful medium for moral internalization rather than mere for entertainment only. And this is the references that I've used. And thank you. That's all from me, from digital stories to Islamic character.